What features should be mentioned about HUSHLIGHT 4000W portable inverter generator? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Powerful performance for every situation. Delivers 4000 peak watts and 3200 running watts powered by a 208cc, 4-stroke OHV engine, strong enough to handle RV appliances, power tools, and essential home backup needs. Ideal for camping, outdoor work, or emergency home backup. Versatile power outlets for all your needs. Equipped with 120-volt AC 2-port outlets for appliances, tools, and lights, 12-volt DC 1-port, and RV port-ready outlet for seamless RV connectivity. Whether you're powering a fridge at home or an air conditioner on the road, this gas generator keeps you powered up anywhere. Extended runtime with fuel-saving Eco Mode. Eco Mode and a 2-gallon fuel tank, get up to 14 hours of runtime at 25% load. The onboard fuel gauge makes monitoring fuel levels effortless, ensuring reliable power through long shifts use. Compact and inverter clean power. Weighing only 56 pounds with compact dimensions, 19x15x19 inch, making it easy to transport for camping, tailgating, and other outdoor activities. Inverter technology ensures clean, stable power for sensitive electronics. Low oil auto shutdown and overload protection. Automatic low oil shutdown and overload protection help prevent engine damage and extend lifespan, providing reliable performance without constant checks. Note: all HUSHLIGHT generators are functionally tested at the factory and may contain minimal residual oil. This is normal and does not affect performance. If you want to get full HUSHLIGHT features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.